representative in NEC, and then the presidential. So for the NEC positions, yero and simple majority. Namoido kura mangen. Makaotelo. Watieko wachino. Lakini kwa chopo ka president, president yakayud 50% of the vote. And in this case, definitely it's because one delegates 90, yakobed 50 plus 1. Koido 50, it will be 50-50. Yeah, koido 45, ngatoboido 45, that's 50-50. Koro round 1, kwa ido ngamoido 46, wadi round 2. Round 2, wadi gidiadi. So we'll take the first 3 to round 2. Round 2, kwa ido 50, wadi round 3. Round 3, koro wadi gidiadi.
Ariyo.
Yeah. Koro round 3 is the ultimate. Round 3 kanyo koro winner, the simple majority to watieko teach. Yes.
Kaka jaera mara adhula, makora golo bedo mari Jacob. Iparo ni kaka uchano yiero gi board maru. Di bed ni oko. Di yegi gima utimo.
Gabe ni oko da yegi gima watimo 100%. Because kaka Lord wacho, there is a lot that has happened. Ma wan wayudo. And the best we could do was to get the best out of whatever we found. With the football stakeholders, gijomoero football. To mane mo watimo to the best of our ability.
Koro in gadier ni yero every time makaru dicho make.
Yes. And chieng mano bedo unveil. Let me just say this. Yes. Na address stakeholders, football lovers, the candidates. And I told candidates, ngama they win, what they protect victory.
Okay.
Told football lovers that this is an opportunity that you're giving Kenyans to see what people who are running football have done and what they can do to change.
Erokamano enya koramoga juang wan gitwaka makende yiero maga FKF ochano di chemaki ka ne wan koda Owelo jakoma mar boda mochungne yiero Hesbon ka chiel giziwe ka chiel gi Loda Aduda ma osebedo ka nie adhula ni kuom kinde mala. Jodi chemaki nya koramoga juang kaka jakomo